so cold, you got me out here.
I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average when you really don't play. Like it was nothing, yeah. How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna think it's so damn hard to explain? How you gonna throw it all away and say my love it was not the same, yeah. How you gonna throw it away?
Let's go get something to eat, honey. I'm in Puerto Rico and it's so pretty. Let me show you guys.
Wanna find somebody else, so why put up with this? Why did I even die? You said you'd hold me down forever, but you lied to me, lied to me. You gotta be mental in the head. I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average when you really don't play.
One more, get big. Come on, Juan.
Hey guys, so right now I am in Old San Juan. I'm about to do a tour. We got here about 30 minutes early, so the tour starts at 4:30 and we got here at 4 o'clock. So right now I'm just walking around, exploring, and yeah, Puerto Rico is absolutely beautiful, but I think it's about to rain. I hope not. I feel little drops on my hand, but I'm not gonna let no rain stop this good, amazing day today.
you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else to choose. Nobody else to make this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. Right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick. Right around the slapping me up, think that I'm going to fit. Right around the love, right around the talking to me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body feels that I got you to know. We'll never fall out of love with you.
Hey you guys, so I'm currently at the beach, sitting here just soaking in this, well it's not really sunny, so I'm currently just sitting here at the beach. Here I brought my book. It's so windy today. It's kind of cool, I'm not even gonna lie, it's kind of chilly. I could have brought a jacket. Very windy. Hey guys, so I am walking to the beach right now. Today is my last day here in Puerto Rico, so I just want to come out here and take one last glimpse of the beach and just relax here. So I'm just gonna walk over yonder. Ooh, I see a ship. Ooh. Last day in Puerto Rico, and I'm just soaking up the sun because when I get back home it is going to be like 47 degrees in Dallas, so I'm just soaking up this nice sun. What is that? What type of bug is that? I don't know. All these different tropical bugs. But anyway, I'm just trying to soak up the last of the sun before I get back to cold, freezing weather. I will be back. So I wanted to come out here and take some pictures because I haven't even taken any pictures since I've been out here. So that's what I'm about to do now. I did not bring my tripod, so I'm just going to have to like make a tripod out of like something, but I'm gonna improvise. I want to use my bag to hold up my phone, so yeah. I'm just gonna lay my camera here. I hope it doesn't fall, but if it do, you know what, that's alright. Maybe I should lay it this way. Is that gonna work? I don't know, child. I can barely see it. Okay, so I just got some random cute couple to take a couple of photos of me. So I have my pictures in front of the Puerto Rican flag, and now I want to get some pictures in front of these beautiful palm trees. These are the tallest palm trees that I've ever seen in person, so I definitely want some pictures in front of those. So I'm gonna see if I can get someone else to take some pictures of me in front of those palm trees. Yeah, I always ask, like, hey, can you take a picture of me and I'll take a picture of you, so it's like an exchange, you know, a happy exchange, but we'll see. It can be a little awkward sometimes, but it's okay. I have to leave in the next 30 minutes. I'm kind of sad, but it's okay. I'll be back. Okay, so I just found a really nice place to take a picture. Look, right here, like sitting on the rock. So I'm just going to set up a little tripod situation here with my bag and try and get this picture. Let me see, what time is it? I need to hurry up because, oh yeah, I have about 20 minutes and I still haven't eaten. So let me hurry up and try and get this picture. Okay. Just up like this.
Puerto Rico, you don't owe me nothing. Thank you for the amazing time you showed me. It was my first time visiting, but it won't be my last. Thank you for all the amazing food. This was some of the best food I have ever had, and I can't wait to come back. So, see you soon. Mwah.
Thank you.